Hi YouTube, I'm Dylan, and today I'm going to show you all how to draw Pascal, the little lizard from Disney's Tangled. So get a piece of paper, get a nice pencil, and let's begin. So first off, we need to turn our paper sideways because Pascal is a lizard-like character and he's got 4 legs. So we start with a circle right here for where his head will be. And then at the back of it, you're going to draw kind of a half circle to indicate what his body will be like. And remember to always draw loose and light at first because we are not going to use all these lines later on. Then right at the back, you're going to draw this kind of upside down letter 6 or 9 to be his tail. Then we're going to put like another circle at the bottom for where his chin will be. He's almost going to look like a dog. Then we need to put some sticks at the bottom to know where his legs and feet will be. All right, so we got those in. Now we're going to throw in the real shape of his back side of his head. So you're going to draw this kind of flattened out S with a curve up. Get the top part curved, and right up here then put this backwards S right here. It's going to have a lot of S shapes. Then this one will curve into a bit of a U shape. And then we have to curve this bottom part into us. He's going to be smiling. So I'm going to draw this curve. Then put a U shape underneath it. And make sure there's some depth to it, like this side's thin and then it gets a little bit thick over here. So it's part of perspective. When things get farther away from you, they get smaller. And then for his eyes, for this one, you just draw like a half circle for one of the eyes, and then a whole circle right here for one of the main eyes. So make sure it's round enough. Okay, and then you're going to draw this ridge up here for the kind of eyelid. Then right here, you're going to put 2 small circles to indicate probably his nose. And then we're going to put this curve up here and put some flattened out ovals to indicate like his scales, and they gradually go from big to small and they stop about down here. And then we'll put the other ones on the side. Just like that. And then we're going to draw his tongue right here. And it's just going to be these 2 curves and a curve right here. And then put a little shading inside of his tongue right there. And put some more little detail in it. And right now, next we have to draw his real eyes, starting with his irises. And then we got to put another circle inside for the pupils of his eyes. We have to shade those in. But don't forget to put the little white spot. That's the highlight that really brings the character to life. Just like that. Okay, next we will draw the back of his neck right here. Then right here, you're gonna draw these. This is gonna be his spine. They're like bumps. Okay, so we got that. Next, we're going to, before we get the bottom part of his body, we should draw one of his legs. Which will go like this. Put these curved details at the bottom. And then he's got three toes, and they form this kind of T shape, like that. Then get the other one, put a curve right there. So there's one. And then right here, you'll give him his one part of his lower body. Give him this side as well. Then right here, you will draw one of his legs. And then right here, you're gonna draw these tiny little bumps that go and form like this. And then we're also gonna draw his back toe. And then get the curve at the bottom. And then we're going to, before we get to his tail, we have to draw his other foot. But you're not going to draw the whole leg because it's hidden by his body. So you'll draw these two curves and another one like that. And then we will darken in the back side of his tail and get this side as well. All right. Next, we will draw this. You can start with like a circle, and then inside that circle, you draw these curves that go all the way around like a spiral, and then form into a small circle like that. And then maybe we could get the side of our pencil and put some shadows underneath on his body. And get one right here as well. And then maybe we'll put one. We should put some underneath him. You don't necessarily have to put shadows underneath his body. His whole body, just put them under his feet. Here's one there. Put one more right here. And put one by his front foot or paw. Put another shadow right here. Maybe put a few more details around here. Shadow there. And maybe one by his tail. And that is pretty much it. That is your very own drawing of Pascal from Disney's Tangled. I hope this video helped you. And if you had fun, please like, subscribe for more, and we will see you next time. Bye.